Hey traders, I just want to introduce to you the best indicator in the world, and it is this. This and this and this and this and this. So what are these? These are orders buying and selling inside the forex market. Here we've got the cable, pound USD. We've got B, which is the futures of the pound, and Euro USD, and Euro futures, DX, which is dollar index, which is basically USD. Futures, which looks a little like this. And we've got pound yen, we've got the yen futures, and we've got euro JPY. So obviously this um, works in opposition. If this is green and this is red, this will go down. And the same, this correlates as well to pound yen. We've got euro GBP, euro pound. If I was trading the euro pound chart, I would use this and this and this. You can see the euro is weakening and the euro is selling, the euro yen is selling. And so we use the selling power in addition to our own strategy, to make a trade. So straight away I'll be looking at euro USD dropping another 28 pips. Where would that leave us? 20, oh yeah, 32 pips in fact. Um, I'm already, oh shit, it's gone. Where is it? Okay, I need to sign back into that. Um, yes, we use the buying and selling power in addition to our existing strategy to work out if we should be in a trade or not, or to stay in a trade, or even to exit a trade. Where is this? Okay, I've hit target on that. Uh, so yeah, that was the Euro USD. I just took a very short trade on that just because I saw it when I opened up the charts, and obviously DX and Euro USD was screaming at me. So let me just show you that trade. Euro USD, which is right there. So I got in at 12. There's 12. Just there. Let go. And then I close it there. This obviously flipped. Oh shit. Alright, let's get in on that. So I can see the pound USD. The reason I just took that trade is because I got a 5-minute signal here. Um, and obviously trend is up. A bit flat here. Trend is up. We've just bounced off the slow, and trend is up. And also we've got this big fat pink here, which is what, 80 or 82 pip candle. So this probably flashed up very heavily all the way up this candle, and then someone took the profit right about here, which correlates to R2 pivot level, and then this would have been flashing red coming all the way down to our lovely moving moving average. So my target here is going to be for R1 is just 8 pips. Yeah, let's put that in target there. I mean, another good target would be this point here, where price kind of bounced, which would be 14 pips. Okay, so I'll leave it at open for 14 pips. If this stays green on me, if this flashes red, then that's a good trade, and I'll keep it open. I'll keep an eye on it. We've just seen the yen flashing green, so if the yen is strengthening, currency on the other side of that is obviously going to go down. So we have a weak euro, strong yen, 6 to 3.5, 5 to 3. Oh, not that good of a trade. But we do have a nice orange and red here. So we've got 5 pips at least to 22. 5 to 22 pips on that one. I haven't taken it because for me the price is just a bit too low. This could just chop around for quite some time. So that's it. That's how I use these um, order flow, buying, selling, little magic bars. Just gonna have a look at the DX for a moment. This isn't gonna help the pound USD trade I've just taken out. Alright, what we got? So this could go for another 7 pips. Yeah, the trend is up, and also, of course, CPI soon. So I might have to cancel that trade purely because of data. Yeah, it's pumping. The dollar CAD is pumping as well. Let's have a look at the CAD. CAD gone. Oh, look at that blue. Damn. The blues, I've reprogrammed these blues. Now they come right back up to the slow, the yellow moving average. So anytime you see a blue, particularly on the 30-minute chart, these are the fucking nuts. Blue took it to the yellow. Obviously, they're against the trend. Blue. They do take quite a lot of time to achieve their goal. Damn, they're good. This one went against for 18 pips, but it did eventually hit, and there was a nice sharp jump initially. That was what's that? 18:30 UK time, so 4:30. It's not the ideal time to take a blue, but hey ho, still worked out. What's this one? Total failure there. Failure there. The trend is pretty strong up though. This one obviously worked. Not many pips in it though. I don't really trade the CAD anymore, the dollar CAD, because the payout isn't that great on it. It's about like 80% as compared to as compared to these 4 pairs: Pound USD, Euro USD, shut up, Euro JPY, and Pound JPY. Right, I'm gonna close my earlier. I took a trade on this based on the orders, the buying and selling. Hey, where's my strength gone? I'm just gonna close it because this is flipped. Obviously, this is flipped. Let me just show you that. Trade. Wait. Right. So, Euro JPY. That's the Euro JPY. Nice. That was in at 0.251 and it reached 0.183, which is just 6 and a bit pips. Phew. Do not save. Right. Pound is going well. Clock is counting down though. See, the CPI is due 10 minutes, so I'm gonna set it to break even, which is I'm gonna go open TP, set it to break even. I'm not gonna set it to break even just yet, should I? 6 pips profit. Fuck it. I'm gonna set it to break even. If I don't make any profit on this, yeah, it's risky. I'm just gonna close it. Oh, fuck it. I'll do it at 3 pips. Close itself. What I don't want to happen is a sharp move on the DX, the dollar index, and then just rushes past my stop. 4.3 pips in profit. Okay, well, I think I've showed you enough there about the best indicator in the world. Sorry about the audio. I've got 2 screens. I'm switching left to right. Okay, I'm going to pause it and wait for CPI data release, and then let's see what happens. Right, so I'm open TP, and I would just set it, pause it. Open TP. I'm going to set my TP another 15 pips away, so that'll be 23 pips. In case I do get a spike. There's a blue on the 30-minute chart. I didn't take this. Must have been Asia. Oh shit, that was London Open. That blue. 7 pips against 20 pips profit. TP. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for real now. So just a very quick update. I just got stopped out. Uh, Show you. Yeah, it was 2.9 pips, which is a bit annoying, but it's right before news, so it could go either way. Okay, I'm gonna pause it right there. Okay, so it is CPI time. I'm gonna put my buy stops in place, my sell stops in place. Let's see what this holds. Okay, we have got CPI is positive neutral on the month on month, negative on the month on month. Pretty neutral. As you can see, there's basically no action. Pretty boring. Let's see what the market thinks. Yen is down. Dollar is stronger. So I'm going to cancel my orders. I'm going to short the pound. Come on, DX, give me a little flash. Come on, just give me green. Give me the go ahead. All right, nothing. It was not a very interesting CPI, gotta say. Because as well, on this CPI, the Fed is looking to this to see how they're going to manage their rate hikes. This being neutral as fuck. Core was on target. January, slightly above. And again, it's below. So, neutral. Okay, I'm going to stop it there. So I haven't taken any trades on oops on those. Put you back there because I didn't have any DX flashing on me. Wasn't really any buying selling significant enough. I mean, I know these the pound USD dropped a bit. Euro USD dropped what 14 pips. Still, nothing worth trading on that data. Whoa. Something going on the pound. We got can't see any information on that huge spike on that big selling. Okay, well, that is just my introduction to these meters, these bars of buying and selling. Just show you a trade I took not too long ago, and they come in all different currencies. All right, so let's get rid of dollar yen. Let me show you pound AUD. I used this not too long ago to take a trade on pound AUD. Where was it? So it was this one here. I was waiting for ages for an entry. I'm seeing this evening star. Let me just show you. It's a bit easier to see here. So we've got a nice evening star there. And yeah, I was looking for a trade on it. Just grab my chart. Show you the entry. Because I use these arrows a hell of a lot as sort of like markers on the chart of something that has taken place. Here we go. Fuck. Uh, Come on, load quicker. What's happening? Alright, the pound is dead. Obviously, all this selling is taking place. It's, yeah, it's a tough trade. Alright, forget about that. Just let me show you this trade that I took on the pound AUD. Zoom in a bit. So, where was it? So there, 22, 24. That was way out. There it is. So I saw this M top. Did that just go back? So I saw this M top. I saw this evening star. Obviously, I had the blue arrow, which always tells me it's going to go down to the yellow. And I waited for my perfect entry, pound AUD, and snip, and I took my trades. Now, why this? It's not very good. Go to the 1 minute chart. If I can find that. Oh, it's way back. Don't think it goes back that far on the 1 minute chart. Okay, 5 minute chart. There we go. So let me show you this entry. It does take some patience. You do kind of have to wait. But this was the trade on GA. You can see that where I went in, never ever came back to have a look. Maybe this point here was the closest, but that was like half a pip. So when you've got like 500 pip trade, which I think it peaked at 500, I only took it to the yellow. Where was that? Where was that? Where was that? Hey. Wasn't there, was it? Anyway, it was a fucking big trade. There we go. So we had the blue. Target was there. 220 pips. And I think my first target was here. And then the other one just carried on down. And where it came up for 8 pips. But by the time I had taken this profit, even if it came back and hit my stop, which was about here, 30 pips above the entry, even if it hit that, it'd still be in profit. unfortunately I missed all of this, which doesn't really matter. It's not really one of my pairs that I trade on a day-to-day basis, but I just couldn't resist that one. That was all based on some price action and using the buying and selling power. These are live. These are live from the exchanges. So this is as it's happening, and obviously buying and selling is what causes price to move. So if you've got any kind of strategy, a trend strategy, a breakout strategy, you're looking to see if you are in fact looking at an M top, or maybe it's just a sideways channel. Like, how do you know? Well, you can tell because of the buying and selling that is taking place as you can see it. Okie dokie. I think that is it. Adios, muchachos.